Hey guys, this is Hari from Tricky4you, and in this video I'm going to unbox this realme C12 smartphone, and we will talk about the different features that you will get with this phone. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Different colors for this phone are available in the market, but the one we have here is coral red. So let's open this box and see what are the box contents. At the top we have a quick start guide with one SIM ejector tool. And here we have our phone, and below that we have a 10-watt charge adapter and a micro USB cable. Talking about the physical overview of this device, at the right side we have a power button, and above that we have volume controls button. At the bottom of this phone we have a speaker, mic, micro USB port and 3.5mm jack for your earphones. On the left side we have a dedicated micro SD slot and SIM slots. Looking at the back, we have a clean polycarbonate back with a triple camera setup. We have 13+2+2 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. And these are some images taken from this phone, and picture quality is decent considering its price. This phone has realme UI, which is based on Android 10. And talking about the display, this phone has a 6.5 inches HD plus IPS display, and for performance, this phone has a MediaTek Helio G35 processor, and this processor is not for gaming, but if you want, then you can play some casual games without any problems. This phone has massive 6000 mAh battery, which will definitely give an all-day backup. Talking about the RAM and storage, we have 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and for security we have a fingerprint sensor at the back and face unlock, which works perfectly. The only thing that may disappoint you is that it takes a lot of time to be fully charged, and sometimes UI gets a bit laggy, but it can be solved through software updates. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.